everyone! Today, we're practicing football sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I love football.
I football.
Love.
Football.
I love football. I love football.
Football.
I am wearing my jersey. I am wearing my jersey. We are going to the stadium.
Raw.
We are going to the stadium. We have World Cup tickets. We have World Cup tickets. I am tying my shoes.
I
Am tying my shoes. We are running on the ground.
We
We
are
running
on.
on the ground.
I am painting my face. I am painting my face.
I am waving the flag. I am waving the flag. The match is starting. The match is starting. I am kicking the ball. I am kicking the ball. The goalkeeper catches the ball. The goalkeeper catches the ball. The referee shows a yellow card.
The
Referee shows a yellow card. I am drinking energy juice. I am drinking energy.juice. I score a goal. I score a goal.
Go! Go! Go!
Go, go, go. The crowd is cheering. The crowd is cheering. Look at the golden trophy.
Look at.
Look at the golden trophy. I am blowing the trumpet. I am blowing the trumpet. We won the medal. We won the medal. Yes! Woo! We did it! Woo! Woo!
It was a great match. It was a great match.
Wonderful! You just practiced football sentences. Subscribe for more English practice. See you next time.